This type of videos are going insanely viral right now. 3D product animations are getting thousands of followers and hundreds of thousands of views. And the best part, you can create them using AI tools without any 3D modeling or animation skills. First, open the master template. You'll find the link in the description. Copy the full Google Doc sheet, and then go to ChatGPT and paste it and hit enter. Then type idea and hit enter again. Hell, give you 10 ideas. Look for whatever idea you like. If you don't like them, type more ideas, and hell, give you 10 more ideas. Choose the idea you like, and then type its number and hit enter. He will give you first image prompt, and end image prompt, and video prompt. Then copy your first image prompt, and then go to Flow, choose image and preferred aspect ratio, and make sure it's Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. In a few seconds, your starting image will be ready. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy end image prompt, paste it into Flow AI. Wait a few seconds, your ending image is now ready. Now go to ChatGPT, copy your video prompt, and go back to Flow AI. Upload the starting image, then upload the ending image and choose video mode, preferred aspect ratio, and make sure you're on OmniFlash. In 10 seconds, hit enter. Wait a few seconds, and just like that, your cinematic 3D product animation is ready. Download your video. If you want a longer animation, simply repeat the same process with more image pairs and add them together. Finally, export your video and upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and check my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.